Hello and welcome back to another LeetCode video. So today we're going to look at 3668 restore finishing order. It's an easy problem and I thought I would try to solve it as quickly as possible this time. You know, my regular thing is to go through the interview process, meaning understanding the problem, checking the constraints, going through an example, coming up with a solution in my head with doing the space and time complexity analysis, and then implementing that solution. So, but I kind of want to focus on just doing it super quickly, just for a change of pace here. And you might find this also to be a lot of fun, because you can just browse through a lot of easy problems in a very short amount of time, and you gain a lot of muscle memory from typing solutions up. So that definitely helps as well in an interview to be really fast and appear super proficient when you're typing stuff. But that's just my opinion. So yeah, let's get into this. I have not solved this one before. So yeah, let's try this. So restore finishing order, LeetCode 3668. We're given an integer array order of length n and an integer array of friends. Order contains every integer from 1 to n exactly once, representing the IDs of the participants of arrays in their finishing order. All right, so it's kind of the placement, how they're placed. Friends contains the IDs of your friends in the arrays, sorted in strictly increasing order. Each ID in friends is guaranteed to appear in the order array. All right, so we kind of have a list of all our friends, and order probably contains more than just our friends. Return an array containing your friends' IDs in a finishing order. Okay, let's check. Constraints, so order length. The friend's length is the minimum between 8 and n. And order contains every integer from 1 to n exactly once. And the order might be long, but what is n? Oh. So we could have, well, the maximum number of friends is 8. That's what that says, right? The minimum between 8 and n, but the order could be more. Yeah, so I was correct. Basically, we need to filter order based on what is in friends. And how can we do that? Well, we can use the hash map, right? So we'd have a solution that has O of n time and O of n space. Well, m space, where n is length of the order, and m is the length of our friends. All right. So, and the way we would do that is we just say we would convert friends into a hash map. Set friends, done. And now we just iterate over all of the results and we can return it basically in one go, right? We just say ID for ID in order if ID in friends. And the reason why we convert this to a hash map is so that we can do an O of 1 lookup. But we're paying off that, of course, for the space that we need for creating the set. Yeah, boom. So there we are. So that's that LeetCode problem. Let's jump to the next one.